Okay, for our final exam review for Algebra 2, let's go to number 7. We're going to write that in scientific notation and press that mode button. It's pretty close to the left button. Just normally it's on normal. Put the cursor over scientific, hit enter. Wonderful thing is, nice quick problem. You can type in 0.666. Really, you'll get 6.66 times 10 to the negative 1. So the calculator will even do that for you. For number 8, we're going to multiply. That means we have to do some distributing. X times 2x squared, we're going to add these powers to get 2x cubed. X times negative 4x, you'll get negative 4x squared. X times 1, you'll just get a 1x. But then we need to distribute negative 3 also. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x squared. Negative 3 times negative 4x is a plus 12x, and negative 3 times 1, you'll get negative 3. So hopefully you can see our like terms. Negative 4x squared minus 6x squared is a minus 10x squared. A 1x and a 12x add to 13x, and then we subtract a 3. Moving on to number 9. When you're solving, please isolate the variable. Isolate the radical as well. Subtract a 2. 5 minus 2 is a 3. And I'll have the square root of x. Square both sides. That's how you get rid of a square root. And 3 squared is 9. You can do a check. You can even check this on the calculator. Why do we need to do a check? Well, you don't always get an answer. Could check this on the calculator also, but you'll see that it works. You get x equals 9. Moving on to number 10. Well, FOIL, just like we did earlier. 3x squared times 5x squared, you'll get 15x to the 4th. 3x squared times a negative 6, you'll get negative 18x squared. Take your 2 and distribute to both. We'll get a plus 10x squared. 2 times negative 6, you'll get negative 12. So you have 15x to the 4th. Negative 18x squared plus 10x squared, you get minus 8x squared. Then you can subtract 12. As we move on to number 11, again, a difference of squares problem. You've got a squared minus b squared. We've seen this all year. That factors into a plus b times a minus b. Well, how would this work? Well, you'll need an x and an x. What number times itself is a 4? Well, we need a 2. We'll have 2y and a 2y. One is a plus, one is a minus, and we are done. As we take a look at number 12, last one on this page, let's do a little prime factorization or make a little division tree. 32, well, we can say 2 divides in. Always start with a 2. You'll get 16. 2 divides into 16, you'll get 8. 2 divides into 8, you get 4. 2 goes into 4 twice, and we stop right here. You can see there are 5 2's. And you can actually write those out. A to the 3rd means that we have 3 a's. And b to the 9th, well, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But when we have a 4th root, we are in search of 4 of the same item. And I'm going to circle whatever I have 4 of. I don't have 4 A's, I can't circle that, but I do have 4 B's here, and I have another group of 4 B's over this way. We're almost done. What's going to come out? Well, whatever you've circled, you can bring one of those out. Bring out a 2. By the way, we still have a 2 left in here. We have 1, 2, 3 A's, so I'll have a to the 3rd inside. Out comes a B. Out comes another b, and we'll be left with a b inside. What's your final answer, though? Well, a b and a b coming out will become b squared. You've got 2b squared. Still have a fourth root here. It's not changing. It's a fourth root. We'll have 2a to the third b. And we're just going page by page. That's page 2.